let me go ahead and tell you a little bit about myself. Let me put this window up first. So let me tell you a little bit about myself. I started XenonZcar back in 2009. Started off with just Z31 stuff. Called it XenonZ31.com. And the whole reason I came up with the website was I was tired of having to go to 10 different websites to look up different information about the same vehicle. So I wanted to go ahead and make a place where all the information could be found. Things from simple general specifications like your oil capacities, your coolant capacity, torque specifications, all types of things like that. And then I decided, you know what? It would be great to have a source where we could go ahead and put the service manuals where people could go through them and be able to download them and read them and help fix up their cars. So, with that being said, I went ahead and start scouring the internet to locate to either people who had the service manuals and were willing to donate them to XenonZcar to scan and then us return them, or I just went out and purchased them myself. So I have a whole slew of service manuals here at the shop. Everything from the 1970 models all the way up. I have some 90 Z32 manuals as well. And I went ahead and I purchased a scanner, a book scanner, so we didn't damage any of the manuals while we were scanning them. And we took the time to scan each manual, each page, and got permission from Nissan North America to be able to host them on our website. So, with that, I was able to go ahead and get the manuals up online for everyone to use. Now, a lot of people didn't like this idea. They thought that I was trying to become somebody big, somebody like AZ-Bomb that people know out there online, or just trying to take over the community. And that's not at all what I was trying to do. So, we went ahead and we had a little battle at the very beginning where people didn't want to help us out or anything like that, but the community finally joined in, and we were able to get all the Z31 manuals scanned and uploaded, including the owner's manuals, and actually turned out to be real great. We went ahead and saved a lot of website information from websites that's actually gone away. Rare Dare's website that he had out there, that's where the Zenki to Kuki front end and rear end conversion information comes from, as well as a lot of the smaller pages like refinishing the AC components and things like that. We got with AZ-Bomb, Paul Hillman, out of Arizona, to go ahead and get a bunch of his information that he collected over onto our website. We talked to Jason Buck, otherwise known as Red Z31, and we were going to go ahead and take over his website for him, and that didn't actually happen, but I've been trying to collect more information using some of his pages and images. All credit given to him for anything that we use, like anything that we build on the website. And just been trying to get more and more information out there for you guys. After about a year or two on the just doing the Z31 information, I had some of the S130 guys reach out to me and said, hey, what about us? We don't really have any of these big websites. So I went ahead and took it upon myself and start collecting S130 information, and I just decided, you know what? Might as well do the whole Fair Lady Z series. So that's where XenonZcar came from. Xenon has been my screen name for many, many years, and of course Z-Car has to do with the Datsun Nissan Z-Cars. So that was the way XenonZcar was born. Hey guys, I just wanted to let you all know, this Saturday, June the 2nd, we're going to be doing a XenonZcar movie night. We're going to meet at the XenonZcar garage at 7 o'clock p.m. That is at 17 South Willow Street in Mount Carmel, Pennsylvania. And we're then going to head over to the Point Drive-In between 7:30 and 8 o'clock. Also, Saturday, June 9th, we're going to be hosting the White Rose Beat Club show this year. They weren't able to hold their show at Apple Nissan this year due to some renovations. So we're going to step up here at XenonZcar Garage and host that crew. Everyone's going to start showing up around 11 o'clock a.m. and the show will last until everyone wants to head on out, I reckon. The rain date for that show is going to be June 10th, that's Sunday, following Sunday.